bit of whatever may happen, there you have to sustain, because I told you, you can't let the chance go. So this is how it happens. First part you would have done sitting together, whatever 250, 300, and then you are called in batches. Okay, then you are called in batches. But so the wait could be from 20 minutes to even 2 hours sometime. But you will not be so. You will be, there will be 3-4 batches. And but here, since it's a training, we have got to stay. So this is how it will go. There will be 3 here, I am only one, and this is how you will be briefed. Ladies and gentlemen, some time ago you were shown a picture. Then you have written a story about the scene. Whatever you have been told for the interview, upright, legs parallel, smart. Please listen, you should look smart and elegant at all times. Okay, so you were shown a picture, then you have written a story about the scene. What you are now going to do is continuum of the scene. First tell us one by one in the order of your chest number as to what you saw in the picture. The number of character, their gender, age, mood. Then briefly describe as to what led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome as perceived by each one of you. Once you all finish your individual narration, then you will discuss among yourself and evolve a consensus on the same aspect. Which aspect? The number of character, their gender, age, mood, what led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome. At the end of your discussion, you can nominate anyone from the group to tell me whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at. Consensus, you all understand? It's broad agreement, it's not conclusion, it's broad agreement. The time for the entire exercise at SSB will be just about 25 to 30 minutes. So there are few things you have to keep in mind. Please remember SSB, whenever they give you some instruction or tell you to keep few things in mind, please follow them meticulously. Some candidates think it's lip service and we can afford to ignore it. Don't do that. It will unnecessarily irritate them. So first and foremost, please be very brief and crisp and to the point during your individual narration so that you have more time for discussion. Roughly, as you have been told, you will get just about 1 minute for individual narration. Okay, so when I say 1 minute, doesn't mean they will have a stopwatch or clock will start ticking, nothing like that. Basically, your instinct and intuition. So don't start measuring 55 seconds, 1 minute, and no. Basically, you are required to tell the broad gist of your narrative and you need not go into the minute details. Okay. Having said that, don't be sketchy also. 1 minute is pretty decent. Don't be sketchy. That will be some important ingredient of your story. Secondly, you will remain seated throughout the exercise and are not required to stand up at any stage. Now, one more thing before I forget. Since the time is short, 1 minute, there will be no time for pleasantries. No good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends or ladies and gentlemen, nothing. Okay, invariably your narration will begin. Friends, in this picture I have seen so many characters, narrate whatever you want to say. And moment you have finished, say thank you so that next person knows that you have finished. You will remain seated throughout the exercise and are not required to stand up at any stage. Except when the person who is nominated to present the group consensus, that is the only time he or she will stand up in front of his or her chair. That is the only time you will look at the assessor, in this case it's me, and tell whatever the broad consensus has been arrived. Okay. Also, please safeguard telling your own individual narration, whatever the group has decided, that you are required to tell. Otherwise, whenever you speak, please address to the group members and not to me. In fact, you should forget as if I am not even present. The language to be used at SSB is English, but if you get stuck here and there somewhere, you can speak in little bit of Hindi, but no regional languages are permitted at SSB. Clear? Now we will begin with chest number 2, who is first on the sequence, and others will follow in numerical sequence 4, 5 till chest number 44. Chest number 2 will begin his individual narration, and moment he finishes and says thank you, the next person will take over from him without waiting for any signal or indication. We'll follow the same procedure till chest number 44. Similarly, the moment chest number 44 finishes its individual narration, you can start off with the discussion. Again, without waiting for any signal or indication. Clear? Any question? Now we will be discussing fourth picture first. So let's have a good one. Chest number 2, please start.
Friends, I saw 7 characters, 5 to be male and 2 to be female. My main character is Sachin. My story goes like this. Sachin is a 26-year-old, is a chemical engineer working in Delhi Pollution Control Board. While on his routine, in the morning, he was cycling on the road and he observed that many people facing the problem of poor visibility and the air pollution. And so he thinks of developing the air purifier model for the entire Delhi public board. So when he goes to his work, he plans certain things and experiments, and he proposes his plan to his members, colleagues, and convinces them that it is suitable. And when his plans are experimented and got approval from the board, he, along with his members, install the air purifiers which absorbs the sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide and only releases the pure air into the atmosphere. This model was accepted and installed at 300 meters in between the roadways. This helped in controlling the air pollution in Delhi. And he was satisfied with his work and the visibility of the...
Okay, story understood. Next.
Friends, my perception towards the story is the characters are 6 and 4 are males and 2 is females. In the male, one is child and he is a child means adult, he is a BE mechanical engineer who is looking for a job. He goes on cycling early morning and he stops in the signal, and one of his roommate or a person who is assigning him tells him that the cycle has no rules and regulations to follow, and he tells him that every cycle or motorbike has a rules and regulation, and gives him the social awareness. Thank you.
Friends, according to my perception, there are 5 people, and my main character is Ramesh, who is 27-year-old and positive. Due to increasing population, pollution has been increased gradually. By this means, it's deteriorating our environment and even our health. So what Ramesh and his friends were on their way to their work. They saw that pollution was increasing gradually, and they and their friends were falling in regularly. So what they made as a person, what they took initiative is, first they replaced their fuel bikes from the e-bikes, and also he and his friends made a plan and initiative to cleanse the neighborhood. So what they did, they built a team around the youths around the blocks, and they initiated a tree plant sampling event also. And this brought the limelight to the media, and media showed this initiative to the world and towards India. So the India followed their steps, and lot of youth, lot of NGOs, lot of people started cultivating their neighborhood into greener place. So Mr. Ramesh, a small initiative, the small step that he took made a worldwide image also. At the same time, he continued his goodwill work towards the nature, and he remained content. So what we are looking at is the youths are coming forward to the greener India. Thank you.
According to my perception, there are 6 characters, but my main character is Sunil, who is of 21 years old and with a positive mood. Once his cousin visited to his home and asked his father support for the financial, because he has financial crisis due to the lockdown. His father lost his job. So, but the Sunil thought there are also many other people who have lost their jobs. So he tried to gather the money, and he supplied the basic materials to all the family. And yes, also he advertised on the social media and got the support from other people also. And that way he continued to support other families. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture I see 7 to 6 characters who are engineering graduates. There are 5 males and 2 females. In this picture, the protagonist of my story is Mr. Raj. He is an engineering graduate, and he planned for a vacation with his friends. On the way, they got noted that there are some
small like structure which is formed in the climate. On seeing that his friends and colleagues got fed up, they are not ready for that journey, but our hero protagonist gave a motivation to enjoy the vacation. With the help of that motivation, they all went to the vacation happily. Thank you.
Friends, what I perceive from the picture is that there are four characters. My main character is male, he's 21 years old and he's in a positive mood. Sham and his friends regularly go on early morning rides on their bike, to nearby beaches or lakes. One day while he was visiting a nearby beach, he and his friends found that the beach was littered with a lot of waste. So while they were returning back, he and his friends decided to clean up the beach a little with whatever they could. And on returning back, he, along with his help of his friends, he created an website and an online Instagram page raising awareness about the waste that is littered around the beaches and how we should clean it. His page got a lot of exposure and many people started DMing them, and he got a lot of followers. So along with Sham and his friends, every weekend they, along with other people of different backgrounds in each group, they go to different beaches in their localities and clean them to make a better environment. Thank you.
Friends, I have pursued 6 characters from the image, all of male of the age 25. The mode of the picture is positive. My action plan is adventurous activity. Abhishek was a college student. On one day, he took an initiative to set up the world record for the fastest traveling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in less possible days. He made a team of 6 people who were interested to promote education as a campaign. So on their journey from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, they have identified 10 to 15 NGOs which had orphan children and underprivileged children. So they have raised fund on their public awareness, and they have gathered it and collected and given it to the NGOs. And he has also found some of the colleges which were providing free education and affordable education. This he has promoted it in a better way, and he has completed his world record in a very less time. This was appreciated and was a role model for the next upcoming youngsters in his college. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture we can see that there are 7 characters. My main character is Amit, whose age is around 23, and he is an IT graduate. Now, one day he went for cycling in the early morning. They noticed that there is a lot of pollution in the air. So after went back to home, he decided to do something about this. Then he produced a model of air purifying poles, which consumes pollution from the air, which cleans the air. So after this preparing his model, he get contacted to the government official to introduce his model. His model was approved by the government, and after this approval, his model was implemented by the government all over the areas where the pollution is more. Thank you.
In my story, Rahul is a young man. He's a social activist. His routine is to go cycling on early morning. He saw the air pollution has caused a great impact on the environment. So he gathered his friends with him and a few people for help, and he went on a rally to make awareness on air pollution. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture, I have saw background of metro city like Delhi, which is highly air polluted, and I also saw seven character. Among them, one is female. Among those characters, one of the person named Mohan, who is about age 23, past female. Delhi is a highly air polluted places where Mohan, who is working as an IT engineer in Bengaluru, going to meeting in Delhi behalf of his company. He noticed that Delhi is mostly affected by air pollution and tried to organize a campaign near Parliament where he first invited his friends to join. Then other local people were joined that campaign, and it was finally noticed by media and the entire country. So after that notice, every people try to go through public transport instead of their own transport, and also using cycle. Then the pollution in the city considerably reduced. Thank you.
Friends, in my story, I pursue the three characters. My main character is Ramesh. Ramesh is 21 years old. He is studying secondary BCom student in Prakasam University. Apart from his studies, he is working at a part-time job. He belongs to civilian background. One day, he is working in Swiggy. One day, one fine morning, he got a big order. He and with his friends take the parcels, and one of his friends not wearing helmet. He suggested him to wear helmet is necessary in the traffic rules, and he explains the regulations and follow the traffic rules with it. And finally he clears all examinations in his studies. He got a job in placement sector. The whole family will be happy. Thank you.
Friends, I have seen 6 characters, all were in neutral mood. They are seen them standing in the traffic. Rakesh is a young hockey player who is an electronical student. He is on his way to play hockey in the early morning. There was heavy smog, he noticed heavy smog there. He also noticed people were not seeing the signals because they cannot be able to see the signals. And there were people getting anger over one another because they were dashing vehicles at each other. While he was playing hockey, he got an idea of developing a model with using RFID technology, where whenever an RFID tag will be given to each vehicle. In that vehicle, whenever the vehicle reaches a nearby traffic light, a signal, it shows a signal which light is on. He got patent for that model, and he decided to give it for free for a public sector company. Thank you.
What I could perceive from the given picture is Namita, a 23 youngster, was a graduate from Nehru University. She was dynamic, enthusiastic, and adventurous. As a part of which, she was a part of adventurous team. One day, on her way to adventure, she realized that there is drastic change in environment and sudden environmental changes taking place. She tried to find out the cause, and she realized pollution being the major cause. She, along with her adventurous team, tried to reach people through different social medias and tried to aware people about the increasing concern about the environment. They gave various solutions such as carpool, shifting to cycling, as that would also help in staying healthy, and they made a point to make people realize about the growing concern about the environment. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture, I perceive a group of people standing in the traffic signal, and the main lead character of the picture is Kamlesh, who is a 23-year-old graduate, 23-year-old person who is pursuing his graduation. In the picture, when Ramesh was going to his college early in the morning, he sees that there were a lot of people who were violating traffic rules and not wearing a helmet. So this was a concern for him. So he gets back to his college and gets it a notice to his director and plans to organize a traffic awareness rally with help of the nearby traffic police station, and he organizes the rally with help of his classmates, and the rally is successful, and it is also covered by media to make awareness in and around the city and also the state. So this is how he makes awareness about the traffic rules. And thank you.
Friends, in my picture I perceived 6 characters, all are in positive mode. Center of my character is Rahul, age 22 years. He is a young graduate from Reputed University. He is working in public sector. In his weekend, he used to go to visit hilly station along with his friends. While his journey, he noticed that overfall of snow, they stopped their journey. Then sometime the foliage stopped. Then he started journey. He noticed that the overfall of snow, it leads to the accidents like that. While in his journey, there is police checkpost is there. He given representation to the police checkpost to arrange day raids on the roads. They have agreed. After a few days, the police department arranged the day raids on the daytime itself. Then after the police department arranged the floodlights. Due to floodlights, the travelers travel very safely. Thank you.
What we'll do is I'll divide those two subgroups, but please remember in the end you are one group. First only chest number 5 to 29 only will discuss, and first 3 and last 3 will discuss. Chest number 5 to 29, please start. So
Yes, as just number 3's level is telling about the IIT graduates, we will take up a group of friends with who were on adventurous activity with a public awareness.
as many of thank you. Now give friends remaining first 3 last 3. This is
causing major damage to environment and the people also.
Yes.
And that is the whole
Let's take the problem as the mind
So if you take pollution as a major factor, first one we should promote a public sector, and it's not just creating awareness, we should create awareness to ourselves first. We are the one who should initiate something to greater good, right?
Okay. As you said, because of the traffic, because of the pollution, there is
So implementing new things also increases
Can we get
pollution.
rice?
That's not the only thing.
Your time is up. Now you can nominate anyone from the group to tell me whatever the broad consensus. किसी को nominate कर दो.
Okay, we will agree for number 4.
Thanks. Thank you so much for the opportunity. In the picture,
Now you have to look at me. Now you are telling me.
we saw six people, and they were a group of friends. My main character is Mr. Ramesh, who is 27-year-old and who is positive in nature. Due to increasing population, pollution has increased very gradually, which is deteriorating our environment and also the health of the population. So, in order to take this as a measure, Mr. Ramesh and his group of friends on their way to the work. There's a lot of pollution has been increased gradually in their area, and pollution being the major cause. First, they took initiative amongst themselves to take down the initiative of bikes and using public transport. And the second thing, there were a lot of engineers in the friends group also, where they innovated a lot of pollution control methods which was given to the government also. And the third thing is, they started cleansing their neighborhood by planting trees and saplings. And this limelight was seen by the media people, and this limelight was shown all over the world in India, where people took themselves, their story as an example, and they start working towards a greener India. Thank you.
What happens is, I told you, you will be called in batches. Okay? And then when the last, every group has finished, but you will be given a break off. After that, you will be given a break, lunch break or tea break or whatever, or you will be just made to wait somewhere. But you will not be going back to the candidates who are still in the waiting. And once all the groups have finished, then they, combine your results. That is the time they also look at your OIR and couple together, then they decide who is going to the next round or not. But here, since it's a debrief is more important, I'll come up straight away. Okay, on general points, I think broadly, I think most of you had understood. So you are trying to pick up a theme, and your energy level was okay. I think your body posture, most of the things you are right, have done right. And in the end, I think whatever consensus, I think you did a pretty good job. You could evolve something substantial. Okay, now I'll tell you a few individuals. Just number 2, you started. You said actually your theme was not something you and you are also you are not closing only, you are beating around the bush. Don't do that. You were told 1 minute, but you are going on and all repeating. So be smart. You have to be a good finisher. Then I have to tell you, okay, story understood. It will happen at SLB also, because if you go on, then they will tell you, okay, story understood. So don't be shaken up. Okay, it doesn't go against you. They will not stop you till they have got what they wanted. But otherwise, you should be a good finisher. You have been told 1 minute. So why to drag unnecessarily? Okay. And your participation also was very deliberate. It was not looking natural. You also been to SLB already? Yes. तो फिर वो बीच में ऐसा लग रहा था you are withdrawing and then coming back. You have to show full interest. Okay, think about the group. They were looking as if concerned about you. You know how well you do. Don't you participate in the group? Be natural. But otherwise you did okay your theme. But next time bring proper theme. Okay. You should know it is doable. This is beyond an individual. Individual in this case. Chest number 4. I think today you are off color in this round. I think you started cycle and they are not, whatever you said, your narration, everything was okay, your self-confidence and you narrated well, but your theme was not good enough. No cycle, there is nothing, and you stopped also abruptly, so your theme was not good, and during the discussion you were almost, I think you didn't utter a word also. Why? Participation, this is the most important. This way you cannot go to the next round, okay? With this kind of performance, you will not be able to go to the next round. Please participate. You can't just sit here. Listen, SLB is not looking what you can do, they are seeing what you are doing. Okay? So please participate. Other 4, I think you are, I think good, but otherwise be little realistic. You also later on, suddenly everything went away and all that. That's not going to happen. Okay. You also didn't involve the government. You have to involve. You have to be realistic. Otherwise, you are okay. You're confident. You brought out all those things, and then you are nominated. So with this kind of performance, you will be able to go to the next one. 5. What was it? Beta, what are you writing? Somebody Corona, they are helping gather money. How? Your story did not make sense. Money is not just going to be plucked from the tree. You are going to, Arey Baba, it's a government found it difficult. How? So that is not. And if you have to do, be little more specific. Okay, limited way you have helped that time. Migrant for going and you like Sonu Nigam has done. You provided some succor and food, you set up at least meals and give them some shelter, people who are sick. So those things are doable, but otherwise, getting somewhere money that you have to do didn't make sense. Gather money how? So your theme, listen, they are looking, theme has to be logical because remember, mind is that the other things are also group effectiveness and mind. So you have to, and your participation also was not good enough, so you have to do much better. This way you cannot go. Your theme was also not great, 7. That's the thing you are doing all right, but your theme was vacation and they got fed up. Don't use such words, fed up and all. And rest of things you are doing all right. Your narrate, confidence, everything, expression, but your theme, bring proper theme. But then you are trying to participate in the discussion also, but that's not your address the group. You are always talking to him or your group. Okay, you are tempted to talk to your neighbor, not much was heard. Okay, so you also do much better than that. Here I give you yes, but there it will not work. Okay, so get a proper theme also, address the group. Just number 9. You are okay. Actually, you did pretty well because you are cleaning the beach. Okay, that is doable. In a limited way, they have gone. Other, I think, stars and so many people, they have gone and cleaned up the beach. But only thing, I have written involve government agencies. So you are looking okay. You are looking acceptable after individual narration. But you also didn't utter a word. So it's over. I told you, your participation here, whatever you narrated will go in vain. Why didn't you bring that point? Okay, friends, why don't we include that? They are all talking of pollution. Okay, pollution. Mumbai also faces pollution if you are from Mumbai. Say, why can't we include this beach also? That is also part of the pollution because the species are there. So, but you did not open. This will not work. So you became yes to doubtful. Okay, so please participate. Otherwise, there is nothing. Just number 11. Your theme was okay. You had traveled, but also you fastest travel and all. So I think get real those things. Still it was okay. Issues what you are addressing. So still you are okay, and then you are trying to participate. So with this kind of performance, you will be able to go through. So continue like this only. 17. You are looking much better than last time. So only thing is you also cycling, what exactly happened, we don't know. You have to be specific. Otherwise, your everything was okay. But only thing is on your discussion, your presence could not be felt. You have been experienced enough, you have been here, done it before. So you have to raise your level of performance. Otherwise, you are on the right track. But you can improve. 19, I think your theme was not great. Something and but rest of thing you are okay, your expression, you are confident, maybe you are off color, whatever, now you are but participation also was little bit, I told you, group affected a certain level, because see from here they have to take all that, they were seeing if you are showing some sparks here, that's why I told you audition, here you should, I have it in me, only then you have been short, they say okay we will have a look at it, because there is a higher level of group effectiveness, they take you, they see if you find here itself nobody is doing, what will one do in group discussion? Outdoors, so they say what is the point? So, okay, so you do much better. 20, you have to, I don't know, initially you are looking neat and mild and your theme was also not up to the mark, and you have to, but you are trying to participate after that, but get a proper theme. Okay. First time you bring up structure is properly, so you need to improve. 21. You also, your theme was not wearing helmet, and you have to look beyond self and family. You are somehow hung up there, he earned. I told you, look beyond self, family and friends. Okay, and your participation also was very little. You have to do much more than this. This will not take you to the next one. 29. Your theme was not okay. It didn't make much sense. And also you have to improve your body language, and hardly any participation from you also. You can't just sit here. Okay, that's why even I divided you and all that. You have to participate. This way you cannot go to the next round. Okay, so you have to improve. 38. I think you are okay, your individual narration, and then you are trying to participate also. You are on the right track. So with this kind of performance, you will be able to go through the next round. 43. Your theme was not great, but still it was okay. But you can improve, and then you are trying to participate also discussion. So with this, you will be able to go through. 44. What was it? What had happened? They had gone to hill station. Then what happened?
You seen overfall of snow. Overfall of snow on road, sir.
Huh?
Overfall of snow.
Overfall of snow, sir. Overfalling, snow overfall.
Okay. Didn't make much sense. Your theme was not good enough. I didn't. They went to police. What police check? What had happened?
There is any police check post, they give written representation to them to arrange day lamps.
No, it was not good enough. Now I remember. Your theme was not good enough. You have to bring. You have been here before. You have seen it. So you have to be more solid. Okay, but then you are trying to participate in the discussion. So I have given you yes, but you have to do much more. Okay. Let me see what is the.